Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Mena Shaulim bin Usli. I'm reporting for Yasilat. I'm be covering about the lack of student facility, which is inadequate washing machine services at ATT hostel. With me, the one of student who live at ATT hostel. Okay. Assalamualaikum.
Salam.
Okay. What's your name?
My name is Muhammad Azali Hasnani Benwa.
Okay. Azali. I'm Amenasha. I'm reporting for Yasilat. Okay, I am covering about the student facility, about inadequate of washing machine services at ATT hotel. Okay, do you usually use the washing machine service?
Yeah, as a student who live here, I'm usually quite often using the washing machine at least twice per month.
Oh, okay. Do you think the quantity of washing machine is enough?
In my point of view, the washing machine here is not enough. As you can see, there is only one washing machine. So the washing machine is not giving its best service equal to the student who live at this hostel.
Okay. So, do you think who should be involved or in charge of this problem?
In my opinion, the one who should responsible of the issue is Majlis College Siswa, known as MKS, because they are the one who should responsible about this matter.
Okay. I think that's some question for me to ask you. Okay. Thank you for your spend your time.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. That's all for Azali. Now I will find another student to another session. Come with me. Okay. Now I will continue with another person. Please.
Okay, good day, sir.
Hello.
Okay, my name is Alif Ashraf. I'm from Science Biology.
Okay. I want to ask you some questions. Okay. Do you usually use the washing machine service?
Okay, if you ask how often I use the washing machine, actually, I might use it twice for 3 months. Not really well like other person, just sometimes.
Do you think the amount of washing machine is enough?
Okay, if you ask me, as for the other fellow student, I think that the amount of washing machine is not enough because I say about the quota. I mean, like at least one washing machine is uh, suit for one floor. I mean, like maybe 50 students for one washing machine. If you see at the B1 building, they got 4 floor, right? I mean, at least should be 4 washing machine. So maybe this 4 washing machine can solve this problem.
In your opinion, who should in charge this problem?
Okay, if you ask about the who should in charge this problem, because maybe exactly MKS are in charge for this problem, but as we know, who's the one that want to inform to the MKS, right? So I mean, the student themselves need to inform or make a exact proposal to inform to the MKS, so the MKS will know this is the main issue.
Okay. So, what the way to solve it?
Okay, if you ask in my way how to solve this problem, okay, I divide this between two alternative way because we got a two building, right, B1 and ATT. In B1, as you see, there's got the grill there. Someone that in charge to stay with the washing machine. That's mean like if the person that in charge with the washing machine that is absent, nobody can use the washing machine. It's different from the ATT. If you see at the ATT, there's nobody in charge to stay with the washing machine. So every student can use the washing machine. So the washing machine usage, I mean like, okay, as we know, the usage of washing machine at the peak hour is on the weekend, exactly on the evening and morning. So if you want to solve this problem, maybe the student should use the washing machine on the weekday, exactly on the morning, something like 4 to 5 a.m. because nobody gonna use washing machine that time. I think that's it in my way. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. The last question. What do you think? How to highlight exactly highlighted to bring the problem to the top management?
Okay, if you ask the exact procedure, how we want to solve this problem, right? I mean, first the student, they need to gather by themselves, make a proper proposal that's being signed by all students and make it into a proposal, then hand it out to the fellow. After that, they need to hand it out exactly by hand to the MKS because the MKS will see, okay, when they got the proper proposal that being signed by all the students, they see that this is the main issue they need to solve right away because that's their job. After that, the MKS will bring this problem to the top management. Okay, because as we know, if this thing bring out to the top authorities, there is a high possibility to solve this problem